ओम मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधीगोचरः मिथ्याबन्धविधूननेन परमानन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। अद्वैत सिद्धि पेज नंबर 420। Second line from top. Rupakshi's question was, अथ श्रुत्या ययोः अभेदो बोध्यते तयोरुपस्थितिः अस्ति न वा? By the Shruti, whatever abheda jnanam is given, their upasthiti, tayoho upasthiti, is it there or not there? So we saw, if the abheda is not there, then what happens? Abheda is there, and if that is the teaching given, then what happens? So two cases were given. Then in Shruti, Kinchana pada is given. Nehana nasti Kinchana. So Kinchana means the Bheda Anuvada is done. Bheda Anuvadaka is Kinchana pada. द्वितीय तु तयोर्भेदोपि प्रत्यक्षादि सिद्ध इति क्व अद्वैत श्रुति अवकाशः. पूर्वपक्ष says, द्वितीय द्वितीय means प्रत्यक्षादि जन्य भेद. In that तयोः भेदो अपि प्रत्यक्षादि सिद्ध. If घट is pratyaksh siddha, pata is pratyaksh siddha. Ghata pata bheda is also pratyaksh siddha. So where is the room for Advaita Shruti? Siddhanti said that is not correct, because just because Ghata and pata can be known by pratyaksha, their bheda also will be known by the same pramana, or will be known. In that there is no niyama. तद भेदोपि तेन गृह्यते एव इति नियमा भावात्. तथा ही न तावत् पदार्थ स्वरूप ज्ञानमेव भेद ज्ञानम. Padartha Swarupa Jnanam is not Bheda Jnanam. Ghata Jnanam is not Ghata Pata Bheda Jnanam. Padartha Swarupa Jnanam is different. Its Bheda Jnanam is different. If while gaining Ghata Jnanam, you will get Ghata Bheda Jnanam also, then what is the problem? Abheda Brahma Uchcheda Prasangat. Abheda Brahma. Abheda Brahma means between Rajju and Sarpa, there is Abheda Brahma. Means there is Bhranti. Bhrantya, Rajju is taken as Sarpa. This Brahma will never happen if Padartha Swarupa Jnanam itself is Bheda Jnanam. In other words, as soon as you will get Padartha Jnanam, you will also have Bheda Jnanam. Once Bheda Jnanam is there, Abheda Brahma will never take place. So, Abheda Brahma Uchcheda Prasangat. Swarupa Bhedavadinamapi Swarupa Jnanat Ghatatwadi Prakarakat Bhedatva Prakarakam Bheda Jnanam Vilakshanameva. Swarupa Bhedavadi, those who say that Ghata is the Swarupa of that Pruthu Budhnodadi, Budhno, the Akara. That is the Swarupa of Ghata. Swarupatvad, Swarupa Jnanam itself is Bheda Jnana. Those who say this, they are called Swarupa Bhedavadi. So according to them, Swarupa Jnanam will take place. Swarupa Jnanat Ghatatwadi Prakarakat Bhedatva Prakarakam Bheda Jnanam. They will have to accept Ghata Jnanam is Ghatatva Prakaraka. I am Ghataha, the Prakara is Ghatatva Prakaraka. And Bheda Jnanam, Ghato Patat Bhinna. In Bheda Jnanam, the Prakara will be Bhedatva Prakara. So, one is Ghatatva Prakaraka, another is Bhedatva Prakaraka. Swarupa Jnana and Bheda Jnanam, they will have to accept as two different. And if you say, no, Swarupa Jnanam itself is Bheda Jnanam, then as soon as Swarupa Jnanam takes place, Bheda Jnanam also you will have. Anyatha, see, Bheda Graha Nibandhana Vyavahara Anudaya Prasangat. Bheda Agraha Bheda Graho Nibandhana. This sounds familiar?
Yes, Swamiji. Prabhakara Akhyati.
Prabhakar Mata. Akhyativada, what they say is, Idam Vastu, Sannikrishta Vastu, Shukti, Hattastha Rajata. They are two Bhinna Vastus. Their Bhed Agrahana is the karana for vyavahara. Bheda agraha nibandhana means moola karanam for vyavahara. Bhedagraha nibandhana vyavahara. These Prabhakaras, they accept this because they don't accept Brahma. In their matam, there is no Brahma. So Bhedagraha Nibandhana, Adhyasa they call Bhedagraha Nibandhana. This would never happen if Swarupa Jnanam and Bheda Jnanam will take place or will be one. Swarupa Jnanam, which is Ghatatwadi Prakaraka. Bheda Jnanam is Bhedatva Prakaraka. If both of them are one, then Bheda Agrahanam will never happen, because you will, as soon as you have Ghata Jnanam, you will have Bheda Jnanam. If Bheda Jnanam is there, Bheda Agraha will not happen. So Bhedagraha Nibandhana Vyavahara Anudaya Prasangat. अतः एव स्वरूप ज्ञानोत्तर कालम अवश्यम भेद ज्ञानम इति अपि न. स्वरूप ज्ञान उत्तर कालम अवश्यम भेद ज्ञानम. आफ्टर स्वरूप ज्ञान उत्तर कालम अवश्यम भेद ज्ञानम. Once you have स्वरूप ज्ञानम, the next kshana उत्तर कालम भेद ज्ञानम will take place is also not true. Iti api na. Why? Anavastha prasangacha. Because there will be anavastha. How? So Swarupa Jnanam in Prathama Kshana, let us say. And Tadanantaram in the Uttarkshana, Avyavahita Uttarkshana, Prathama Jnana, let's say, is of Ghata. Then Uttarkshana, you will have Bheda Jnana. Bheda of Ghata with something. That something can also be Ghata Jnana. So first Kshana, Ghata Jnana. Second Kshana, Ghata Jnana, Bheda Jnana. Ghata and Ghata Jnana, they are Bheda Jnana. Then Tritiya Kshana, Ghata and this Bheda Jnana. Any two you can take. That Ghata and Ghata Jnana, they are different. Ghata and the Bheda Jnanam are different. Ghata and Bhedasya Bheda Jnanam are different. So this is the Anavastha. Because every next Kshana you will have Bheda Jnana, Bheda Jnana, Bheda Jnana. So he explains that. Tathacha, tathahi. Ghatapatau bhinnau janami. He takes, we took only one example, Ghata. He takes two, Ghata and Pata. Ghata, Pata, they are different. Bhinnau janami. Janami means jnanam. So Ghata, Pata, they are two. They are bhinna, their jnanam is there. That is called Ghata Pata Bhedati. This Ghata Pata Bheda Jnanam, is it Swaprakasha, Anuvyavasaya Siddha, Va, Sakshi Siddha Va. It can be three types, means three cases are taken. Ghatapata Bheda Jnanam means any Vritti Jnanam is Swaprakasha. Who considers the Vritti Jnanam as Swayam Prakasha? Prabhakar. Prabhakar, they say Vritti Jnanam is Swayam Prakasha. Vritti Jnanam is Anuvyavasaya Siddha. Who will say?
Nyaya Vaisheshika.
Nyaya Vaisheshika. And Vritti Jnanam is Sakshi Siddha, is Vedanta. न स्वप्रतियोगिक भेद विषया. This घटपट भेदधि भेद ज्ञानम is not स्वप्रतियोगिक विषया, स्वप्रतियोगिक भेद विषया. So in घटपट भेद ज्ञानम you will have घट having pata bheda, pata having ghata bheda. But this bheda jnanam between ghata and pata, this bheda jnanam is not going to reveal bheda between ghata pata and itself. Itself means the jnanam. See this ghata pata bheda. Okay. This bheda jnanam is this. Bhedasya jnanam. Ghatapatasya bheda, bhedasya jnanam. Or you say Ghatapata bheda is only known in the form of jnanam. So you remove this. Okay. Ghatapata bheda jnanam. This bheda jnanam will show this bheda. It will not show this bheda or this bheda. Is it clear? It will not show this bheda or this bheda. It will show this bheda. Ghatapata bheda, this jnanam knows Ghatapata bheda. But this bheda is not known in this buddhi. For that I need another one. This is how anavastha will take place. So swapratiyogika, that bheda jnanam itself is the pratiyogi. This jnanam will not take place. Between ghata and pata, ghata is anuyogi, pata is pratiyogi. That jnanam is known through bheda jnana. But bheda jnanam is different from ghata or pata. This is not known. Because the bheda jnanam requires pratiyogi jnanam first. भेद धियः प्रतियोगी धी जन्यत्व नियमेन. भेद ज्ञानम नियमित रूपेण requires प्रतियोगी ज्ञानम. If I don't know pata, how will I know ghata pata bheda? So that is required. प्रतियोगी धी जन्यत्व नियमेन प्रतियोगी धी व्यक्ति भिन्न व्यक्तित्व आवश्यकत्वात्. प्रतियोगी ज्ञानम, let us say, is pata ज्ञानम. प्रतियोगी धी व्यक्ति भिन्न व्यक्तित्व. भेद ज्ञानम is different from pata ज्ञानम. That is required. स्वस्या एव स्वजन्यत्व अनुभवते हैं. भेद ज्ञानम will not give the jnanam of bheda between bheda jnanam and ghatapata. means that will require another jnanam. The whole idea is you will need another jnanam to know the bheda between ghatapata bheda jnanam and ghatapata. Then to know the bheda of that bheda jnanam, you will need another jnanam. ज्ञानांतरेण च तद्भेद अग्रहे तद्भेदग्रहे क्वचित भेदधी धारा विश्रांति अवश्यम वाच्य. So this is jnanantaram, next jnanam. By that, when bheda grahanam takes place, bheda grahe, kvachit, somewhere, bhedadhi dhara, bheda jnanam, avirata, which goes on, vishranti, somewhere you have to stop. Avashyam vachya. Otherwise, अन्यथा सुषुप्ति विषयांतर संचारादिकम न स्यात्. Otherwise, sushupti will not happen. One, Vishayantar Sanchara, any other jnanam will not take place. Bheda jnana, Bheda parampara itself will continue. So the moment you know Ghata Pata Bheda, that Bheda jnana will produce another Bheda. That will produce another Bheda. Your buddhi will only think of that. So Vishayantar Sanchara will not happen. अतः तत्रापि चरम भेदधीहि एव उदाहरणम. And therefore, to protect yourself from anavastha, what you will have to do, charma bheda jnanam you will have to accept, after which there is no other bheda. Ghata pata bheda, and then you say stop here. Bas. So charma bheda dhihi, this is udaharanam, means this you will have to accept. As soon as you take that this is the final bheda, next moment abheda jnanam will come, advaita shruti. So whatever is the charama jnanam, let's say that charama jnanam and charama jnana vishaya, earlier it was bheda jnanam and its vishaya, between them there is bheda. Then next bheda jnanam and its vishaya, there is bheda. Wherever you stop, Dvaita Shruti will come. Because thereafter you are not seeing bheda. As soon as you stop seeing bheda, between that charama bheda jnanam and its vishaya, abheda bodhanam will happen by Advaita Shruti. Once the Advaita Shruti comes, then it will remove all the bheda. Advaita Shruti will show abheda. And therefore, Purvapakshi thought Bheda Buddhi is, Ghatapata Bheda Buddhi is Pratibandhika of Advaita Shruti. But somewhere in this parampara of Bheda, somewhere Bheda parampara has to stop. The moment it stops, Advaita Shruti will have place to function. and then Advaita Shruti will prove Abheda. तथा च बाधकत्व अभिमता या घटपट भेद थी बाधकत्व व्हाट आई सेड प्रतिबंध घटपट भेद ज्ञानम which is considered as badhaka for Advaita Shruti. Badhakatvena abhimata ya ghatapata bhedati swabheda avishaya bhasate. That bheda jnanam and its vishaya, between them, bheda is not known. Means that buddhi parampara has stopped there. तया सह बाध्यत्व अभिमताया एकत्य ऐक्य धिय ऐक्यम बोधयित्वा निर्बाधा सती श्रुति ही सर्वा भेदे पर्यवस्यति. तया सह तया घटपट भेद धिया सह by that भेद बुद्धि बाध्यत्व अभिमताया ऐक्य धिय ऐक्य बुद्धि पूर्वपक्षी thought it will have badhyatva, it will be badhita by veda jnanam, but what it does, badhyatva abhimataya aikya dhiya aikya dhiya not spashta aikyam bodhayitva, having revealed aikya there between charma bheda and its vishaya, charma bheda jnanam and its vishaya, aikyam bodhayitva nirbadha sati shruti. Now there is no badha for Advaita Shruti. Sarva bhede paryavasyati, it will culminate in sarva abheda. Nahi abhede api badhya badhaka bhava. Once abheda comes, then there is no badhya badhaka bhava. If you accept badhya badhaka bhava, then swasyapi swabadhakata apatti. Apatti means it is undesirable. That I will be badhaka of myself. Swasya swabadhakata. Okay, let me just explain what is the going on. Otherwise, Vedanta says, Nehana nasti kinchana. There are no bheda. Common man will say, I see bheda between ghata and pata. What are you saying? There are no bheda. So one simple solution we give is, we ask a question. Is this bheda vastavika, paramarthika, or this bheda is mithya? Instead of using the word mithya, we use the word vyavaharika. But in our mind, we should understand this is mithya. So is this bheda paramarthika or vyavaharika? So he will say it is paramarthika. Because for them, bheda is absolutely real. And for us, bheda is only apparent. It is not paramarthika. On the strength of Shruti, Nehananasti kinchana. So bheda is not vastavika. It is only apparent. Now Purvapaksha says, if Ghatapata bheda is pratyaksha, when will your Shruti work? Where is the avakasha for Advaita Shruti? So Siddhanti says, where the bheda stops, bheda jnanam stops, that is where Advaita Shruti will enter. And then it will eliminate all Bheda also. So how this will happen, that is what he is explaining. Ghatapata Bheda Jnanam is there, then it will not have Bheda with the Vishaya. The Jnanam and Vishaya Bheda will not be there. To know that you need another Bheda, another Bheda. But in our Vyavahara, day-to-day life, we know that this parampara doesn't go on continuing. If that happens, we will not have any other Vishaya Jnanam. We will not have Sushupti. So that parampara stops. There where this parampara is not, means where it stops, there Advaita Shruti will function first. Means this is a way of saying. So that through Yukti I can explain Advaita is possible. Have you understood what is happening?
Yes, Swamiji.
Everybody?
Yes.
Yes, Swami.
So now Advaita Shruti doesn't have any Badhaka. And therefore it can prove Abheda. To justify that now, he gives one Khandan Shloka. Taduktam Khandana Kridvihi. Sudura Dhavana Shranta Bada Buddhi Parampara Nivritta Vadvayam Nayehi Parshnigrahir Vijiyate iti. Sudura Dhavana Shranta. Bada Buddhi, let us say, is something which is running. And its only objective is to show Bheda, Bheda, Bheda. That Bheda Jnanam, which is the Bhada Buddhi, it is running all the way up to Anavastha. So just before Anavastha, it has to stop somewhere. Otherwise, we will not have Sushupti, etc. So it goes on running, but it stops somewhere. That is called Sudura Dhavana Shranta. Having run far, it got exhausted. What? This Bhada Buddhi Parampara. Bhada means that Buddhi which will try to do Bhada of Nehana Nasti Kinchana, Advaita Shruti. Where it gets exhausted, where it gets tired and stops, that is where the other Buddhi which was running after it, Advaita Buddhi. Advaita was chasing Bheda Buddhi. As soon as Bheda Buddhi stops, this will defeat it. Nivrittau Advaya Amnayehi. When that Bhada Buddhi Parampara Nivritti takes place, Advaya Amnaya, Advaita Shruti will come, which is the chasing one, Parshnigraha. Like enemies, when they run and they get tired, other team, other army which is chasing it will capture them and win over. Vijiyate. So in this way, Abheda throughout will function. And if we say in this way, if someone says, no, Bheda is only Vyavaharika, which we understand as Mithya. What is Vyavaharika is Mithya. If Bheda is Mithya, okay, we accept it. That is what we want, is the Ishtapatti. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।